Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a yummy winter special amla murabba, and I have posted recently a video on how to make and store amla juice. Now this is another way of storing amla and relishing it the whole year through by making amla murabba, and so let's get started. I have taken 400 grams of amla, washed them properly and then completely dry them. Take a little big size amlas, gooseberries, because they are a little more juicy and it will give a lot of texture to the murabba. For this we need to steam the gooseberries first. So in a strainer, place the gooseberries and steam them for around 7 to 8 minutes till they soften a little. Now, amla, as I have told you earlier, is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that boost our immunity. So it's very good to consume it during the winters. Now, this is how the amlas look like. After 7 to 8 minutes, they have softened a little. Now, once they cool down a little, just prick them with a fork and make holes onto it and keep them aside. Now in a pan, take half cup of water, (500 grams of jaggery. I have grated the jaggery here. Let the jaggery dissolve into the water now. Jaggery has got many health benefits, like it helps in constipation by aiding digestion, it acts as a detox, and it helps to cleanse the liver by flushing out the toxins in the body. Jaggery is loaded with antioxidants and minerals like zinc and selenium that help prevent free radicals that are responsible for early aging. So we should consume jaggery. Try to place the amlas, the gooseberries, into the pan as it can splash like how you just saw it splashing, and then cook it in the jaggery water. Now once you see that the water has started thickening and it is simmering, add black salt to it. Black salt adds a lot of flavor to the murabba. 2 teaspoons or more according to your taste. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, or more if you want it a little more spicy. And then again let it cook. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for the murabba to be ready. Now once you see that the jaggery water has thickened a little and it has reduced, you can just put off the flame and let it cool for some time. Now transfer it into a clean jar. It can either be a glass jar or a porcelain jar, and you can relish it the whole year through. The only thing is, you shouldn't use any wet spoon when you're taking out the gooseberries from the jar. Gooseberries are a good source of iron, so people who are suffering from iron deficiency anemia should include gooseberries in their diet, and they can definitely benefit from it. Now, amla murabba is a good way of including gooseberries in the diet. Now with time, this murabba becomes more and more tasty. As the time passes by, you will feel that this murabba is getting tastier and tastier day by day. So please do try making this murabba. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notification, and until next time, take care. Goodbye.